Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Tab for you a 2013 Kubota L3800. So this is a tractor loader backhoe package. One owner tractor. I have all the books and manuals for it. I have a complete set of 3-point hitch arms, drawbar. Even the bracket is there whenever you take the backhoe off. It actually bolts in between the fenders to hold your top link up. Very, very nice, well-kept tractor. This is a DT, so it's a direct transmission or a gear drive tractor. Tractor was kept inside. It is extremely, extremely clean. Know the gentleman that owned it, extremely fussy. Skid steer quick attach on the front, 4-wheel drive power steering, 540 PTO. This is going to have a subframe mount BH77 backhoe with a 16-inch bucket, folding roll bar. We did a full service. We changed all the filters at 296 hours. There is currently 296.1 hours on it. We changed every single filter, hydraulic, engine oil, fuel, air, everything is done. Marked all the filters, brush guards on it, LA 524 quick attach front loader. We're going to start right up front here. We're going to open this hood for you. We are going to show you in underneath the hood. Yep. And we're going to show you all about this tractor. Man, I'm trying to remember on this.
It's on the other side.
It's on the other side?
Yep.
Some of the new ones, they put them on the other side. So here is the nice thing with this tractor. So this tractor is a 38 horse tractor that has absolutely zero emissions. This would be the very last year before they went to this, went to emissions on these tractors. So here it is, non-emissions tractor, which everybody's after at the moment. Again, very, very clean, very straight tractor. Hood has a couple little scratches on it. No dings or dents, anything of that nature. It does have your level gauge, is there on the boom. Cutting edge is beautiful shape. Here's all your 3-point hitch stuff. So top link drawbar, toolbox is there, SMV. Everything is there for your 3-point hitch. Coming up here, you will see all the fenders nice and straight, clean. Backhoe is in absolutely beautiful condition. I don't know that it was used more than a half a dozen times. Does have the neoprene or polymer pads here for the outriggers so that it won't damage concrete or blacktop. Boom lock mechanism is there and the swivel pin is there. Seat is in excellent condition. I'll head around this side. We'll go over some controls. And again, it does have the toolbox and stuff is there. And underneath you can see here, you're just going to pull a pin for the backhoe seat to fold over. All the snap pins and clips are there for the 3-point hitch. So everything is there and intact. 296 hours. So you're going to have here, you're going to have reverse, low, and high. And then you're going to have a 4-speed gearbox in those ranges. 4-wheel drive in and out, PTO, up and down for your 3-point. Obviously clutch pedal, joystick loader control. Again, these are a very nice tractor. These would have been replaced, I guess, by like a L3901, which has emissions. So this is an L3800, no emissions, tractor loader backhoe package. I'm going to start this tractor up. We're going to run it around, show you it does everything it is supposed to do. Here we go. So what we're going to do here, like we always do, we're going to start out in low range. And we'll go ahead and show you 4-wheel drive works. Okay, so we're going to go into first gear, low range, 4-wheel drive. I'm going to go ahead and shut the 4-wheel drive off. 4-wheel drive works. Second gear reverse, third gear reverse, fourth gear reverse. So these are just I don't want to call these, they're just a shuttle shift, so to speak. I mean, you should stop, I guess, when shifting them. As they call them a synchronized, but pretty cool little tractors. So that was low range, all 4 gears. We're going to go ahead and go to high range. Second gear. gear, fourth gear. It does have the shuttle up here on your right hand side, or left hand side I should say, for reverse. What I like about these older gear drives, there's nothing that goes wrong in these. They are a very, very simple tractor, well-made tractor. Last guy forever, truthfully, a heavy build. The biggest other thing is non-emissions tractor. You have no DPF to worry about. Basic service, this thing will run forever. And I also feel that a lot of this stuff was back whenever they actually really built a heavy tractor. Not saying that they don't today. Kubota still does build a good heavy tractor, but again, this being a non-emissions tractor, you'll find, in my opinion, there's a lot less plastic. They're just a very good, heavy, well-built tractor. Very smooth BH77 backhoe. Still shipping labels on the bucket from brand new. And I'm just basically idling this tractor to show you that everything there works. You simply pull this latch, put it back in. You should always put your transport lock pin in for your swing. It's just a good practice to do that. Tilt your seat back, put it in the lock position, fold your seat back down, and that's all there is to it. So you can see there from that, everything works the way it is supposed to. A nice thing with these, they are a live hydraulic off the tractor. For the backhoe versus a PTO pump. So there you have it. 2013 non-emissions L3800, 296 hours on this tractor. Complete package, tractor loader backhoe, skid steer quick attach bucket. All the 3-point hitch arms are there and complete. Local one-owner tractor is 100% serviced and ready to go to work. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. If you have any questions, need a freight quote, let us know. We'll be glad to help you in any way that we can. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.